Ya kwa nwura bo kwa demonstration na ya the petition no amandua na esisi wo no ya the petition am excavator Kwabena Agyapong say wutrima ade ni.
We don't do galamsey even in Accra. If you are serious about something, you want to protest about it, we've got to go to the areas.
Abusia ye nim say for some time now dear eye galamsey hu nsem ana baby abefe bia ekoso na eye special advisor to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and din edem Kwabena Agyapong wakwakwakotna eye channel 1 TV show and din at the point of view ho Bernard Avlen hosting wakwakokeka nsem na no kuyinika was saying protesters na mo protest wa Accra no Accra into galamsey
because
they were supporting what I said.
But this is
what I said.
I'm challenging your point that this is 2 months. This is 2023 December.
That
so it couldn't be 2 months.
No, what I'm trying to say, I said this in 2022. And what is happening is very sad for our country. Okay? But again, we don't do galamsey even in Accra. If you are serious about something, you want to protest about it, we've got to go to the areas and engage with the people who are, because they are Ghanaians like you and I.
But the government is in Accra.
The government is not in Accra.
The seat of government is in Accra.
And those lands that people are on do not belong to government. Who tells you government owns those lands?
The power of the state.
Anyway,
they are asking the government to solve the problem.
In my view.
Let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I want to pop into my video, I make sure to say, subscribe it. Click on notification bell on the uploading video there. On sa ebetimi aka. Na yeda sorry no power ya. Hey, Captain Smart. So the wa wonim say, obeka asem na chese. Etwi ne kakra bi ana say faga na ho na say wan kan ye dia. Wodi bibara be memma wan kasa na wa ba be kasa. O say eye Kwabena Agyapong ya. Wa betina wa kasa bebre say ana protesters no adentina. Omamba the omanko areas na yitu galamsey wo no manko protest wo ho no kas and when a captain say wo so mo gina de ebe wo we buy Ghana TV say men kan show say and who be here say ye Ghana for ye be patronize made in Ghana product said ye be boa ma my Ghana to me akoni ni senti adwumadie bi a wudi say produce made in Ghana product e wo Ghana ha no bit my 2 to 3 minutes video of what you produce. Now I send it. My numbers no screens no. You be advertise them free of charge. Any further information be I here be so with me friend numbers no. You be ma into your moon. Na captain na kasa was say papa ne kasa sa de ene na empabo a wo hye no. Ebe hu be hia so be company na the manufacture empabo no wo ho. Na wakwa akoto e de ahye. Asemo. Yenti nsem nemra.
Man penny no ankasa wa ho.
Man penny no ha not ye.
Man penny.
This is the fama wan.
Gwen.
Yey. Ya kwa nwura bo kwa demonstration na ya the petition no amandua na esisi wo no. Ya the petition am excavator. Kwabena Agyapong say wutrima ade ni.
Gwen. Man penny no. Man penny no ankasa wa ho.
Say woni ma ye ka tra Kwabena Agyapong. Jankwala din no na bra bi tro nyansa. Ghana Police Service. You can't see a first demonstration in Kumasi. So ministries now in charge, no. And can have a war. It's more than 1 year demonstration. No ministry, no. Emram Bejimu petition, no. Kwabena Agyapong. Jajimino Betrana Swagansa.
Who can be the sales? I bet you what.
So what did we do? Day na yeah vigil no Saturday no. You drew sports stadium car park one. That was after 6 p.m. You know what happened? They came one by G. Now dear Sakura, I think it was the Friday or something. Now dear sir, one by G. Now can say a demonstration when that Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources for some to come free crime wasted resources. Now one man emergency petition.
They think they are sensible.
Okay. Kwabena Agyapong. But remember a very typical example. Okay, 2002. October. Kwabena okay. 2002. Make Kyle. Time a kikiri.
When?
Ekoso, I was Ashanti region. Na ye to manemo one crying. Today. To manemo. Ni to manemo.
Today.
I don't know what's crying. A press conference.
Today, you don't hear it.
na mama Kumasi ame. Anam presenters na ewo krom ha ni bi nuanum ni bi wo ho a wo.
Captain Smart.
Womu ni institutional memory. Those ones you can talk trash like this to them.
Captain Smart.
You can say anything because they don't remember anything. Some of us, let me be sincere with you. Our brains are intact.
He is smart.
My thinking faculty is really intact and operational.
Smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
So sometimes we expect you guys engineers to speak sense.
They think they are sensible.
Yay. Ada na Akufo Addo tukwa or press conference can say about Ghana. Ada na onka chansa na ya jai uba Ghana ya bekasa.
Ma penino. Ma penino ankasa wa ho.
Kwabena, please. Me fa ho masem we mu kra. Eye baby ade na waka no. I want you to come again.
Captain Smart. The king.
Say any God say waka. Rubbish. Banchina ya de ba no. Efiriem. Kwabena Agyapong. Bodie, Mankani, Nyadua, Tromankese. Efiriem ya de bankran.
Today, you don't hear it.
Ada na wo nkwa wura mu honkoto Nyadua ma. Na oto onkran. Enka ahini edua Nyadua.
Gwen.
Choko edua Nyadua.
Hello.
GH we ya me da bobi ma no.
Hello.
Man ba kun kan wa
Hello.
Koto clitoris size adwe na dida mutrim.
Hello.
Look, tie. Ukodwom. Oyiri kodidwa. E won kran bonten so ba wi aduane ma wudi. Kwabena. Ma oyiri ntuka.
Wani.
E kwan nwa. Ayo onkwa dan koto nchene.
Hello.
Sa wo be peni a. Sa oyiri de nchene to aduane ma wudi. Kachira oyiri se nchene yentu ni nkran.
Hello.
Gwen.
Asabna na Bible kan nyo bia wanyini bia da nim yansa.
Gwen.
Nipa ni bia nyini so mo agimi.
Bibini au.
Sada Bible kan.
Bibini ye nipa.
Kacha we Kwabena Agyapong. Ma wo yiri ntu kan ne onko ada onko to nchene pemra. Kwa se nchene ne yetu no ada. Enchene bi so ho so a ye di fi America. Any UK na ba tikatsa we yere say to ticket mano so aya o enchine o de be ye aduane ama no onkoto ne UK mra because ye enchine ne wa Kwabena shirt na ya wo to hye no
Wani.
shoes na wo to no
Wani.
ye nye ne Ghana ha eti aya wo pe shoe ato a ko Italy ko Verona ko factory ho na ko to shoe
Gwen.
ye munyina ene kufo so say wo bra yo chakwa we na your press secretary no
Le.
antle kufo so pa me won no
Le.
that is why kufo so sacked you now I understand why you are sacked
Gwen.
kufo sack you na do so sack you
Hello.
say no munim say wo ko eni ma beto to bomb
Hello.
wo ko eni ma you beto to bomb that's why both of them sacked you. I mean, how can you say such a thing? Kwabena, why? And then me ba oba bruta. And I'm catching up. Why? Miss Snow. Send no obedidia.
Hello.
Wow.
Hello.
Obedidia.
Hello.
Minimum Diana obedida no pay. Pacho. Se meko wo mu a.
Hello.
Choko. Yinua meko ho.
Hello.
Achimota meko ni ho. Yinua wo kan. Ma wo yiri ntuka.
Hello.
O mesenko pokuase.
Hello.
Nkoto meko pemrew.
Hello.
Aya mane nko pokuase dwom ho.
Hello.
Onko hwe farmer odua meko.
Hello.
Non kone fo mu nkoto meko. Betwima wa no pendi.
Hello.
How can you say such a thing? Engineer indeed.
Wait.
Ah.
Le.
Ah. Asamwe di kamera kudu kam na kan Kwabena Agyapong nya wa.
Wait.
Ghana for.
Kwabena Agyapong who say dambo twaye din asemwe won so nkasa ai. O trase no wa be Kenya nsesem.
Ojai.
Dambo twaye won bie na no nkan kwa asem da. What is the president? Mami usabasem. Aya mo so amosi o. Nkrofo muade o TV so nkrofo muade o radio so. Omu didi atam. Da benda na wote so bie na no akase tie dambo twaye o TV so da.
Wait.
Mi busamasem.
Ojai.
Yi anu ofie ho. Dambo twaye. Da benda na wote se obie na no akase tie dambo twaye da.
Ebusia na ye nim se de papa ne kan no anhye da ankoyie se o blame opposition for say omu ana ye orchestrate we nyina chefing say obi protect because yensi o say ama ye ni abre a wo kansema wo kan eni sanse mu enam he na ye nim say ye ni na abre say galam say etu ebetwa na mestre say ba betu aba ka just few days be na eba betu aba ne senti ehu behia se ebema asumdwe edihene ewo my Ghana no matter the situation ye fanto yetim se asumdwe de ehu ehia pa mesro se ubeja o comment e comment section ho e de ama me any update bi aba me sai e de baba beso mo me din e de na na akwa santoa makram